Hello friends, welcome to Sushmita's classroom. Today I will tell you about the story behind the Raksha Bandhan. The bonding between a brother and a sister is simply unique and is beyond description in words. The relationship between siblings is extraordinary and is given importance in every part of the world. However, when it comes to India, the relationship becomes all the more important as there is a festival called Raksha Bandhan dedicated for the sibling love. This is a special Hindu festival which is celebrated in India and countries like Nepal to symbolize the love between a brother and a sister. The occasion of Raksha Bandhan is celebrated on the full moon day of the Hindu lunisolar calendar in the month of Shravana, which typically falls in the month of August. Now, what is the meaning of Raksha Bandhan? The festival is made up of two words, namely Raksha and Bandhan. As per the Sanskrit terminology, the occasion means the tie or knot of protection, where Raksha stands for the protection and Bandhan signifies the verb to tie. Together, the festival symbolizes the eternal love of brother-sister relationship, which does not mean just the blood relationships only. It is also celebrated among cousin, sister and sister-in-law, aunt, in Indian language which is called Bua, and nephew like Bhatija and other such relations. Now, what is the importance of Raksha Bandhan among various religions in India? In Hinduism, the festival is mainly celebrated in the northern and western parts of India along with countries like Nepal, Pakistan and Mauritius. According to Jainism, the occasion is also revered by the Jain community where Jain priests gave ceremonial threats to the devotees. Sikhs also celebrate this festival. This festival devoted to the brother-sister love is observed by the Sikhs as Rakhardi or Rakhari. Now, the origin of Raksha Bandhan festival. The festival of Raksha Bandhan is known to have originated centuries before, and there are several stories related to the celebration of this special festival. Some of the various accounts related to the Hindu mythology are here. Like Indradev and Sachi, there is a story of Indradev and Sachi. According to the ancient legend of Bhavishya Purana, once there was a fierce battle between gods and demons. Lord Indra, the principal deity of sky, rains and thunderbolts, who was fighting the battle on the side of gods, was having a tough resistance from the powerful demon King Bali. The war continued for a long time and did not come on a decisive end. Seeing this, Indra's wife Sachi went to Lord Vishnu, who gave her a holy bracelet made up of cotton thread. Sachi tied the holy thread around the wrist of her husband, Lord Indra, who ultimately defeated the demons and recovered the Amravati. The earlier account of the festival described these holy threads to be amulets, which were used by women for prayers and were tied to their husband when they were leaving for a war. Unlike the present times, those holy threads were not limited to brother-sister relationships. Now, another story which is related to King Bali and Goddess Lakshmi. As per an account of Bhagavad Purana, the Vishnu Purana, where Lord Vishnu won the three worlds from the demon king Bali, he asked by the demon king to stay beside him in the palace. The Lord accepted the requested and started living with the demon king. However, Goddess Lakshmi, wife of Lord Vishnu, wanted to return to his native place of Vaikuntha. So she tied the Rakhi around the wrist of demon king Bali and made him a brother. On asking about the return gift, Goddess Lakshmi asked Bali to free her husband from the woe and let him return to Vaikuntha. Bali agreed to the request and Lord Vishnu returned to his place with his wife Goddess Lakshmi. Another story which is related to Santoshi Ma. It is said that the two sons of Lord Ganesha, namely Shubha and Labh, were frustrated that they had no sister. They asked for a sister from their father, who finally obliged to their sister on the intervention of Saint Narada. This is how Lord Ganesha created Santoshima through the divine flames, and the two sons of Lord Ganesha got their sister for the occasion of Raksha Bandhan. Another story, that is about Krishna and Draupadi. Based on an account of Mahabharata, Draupadi, wife of Pandavas, tied a Rakhi to Lord Krishna, while Kunti tied the Rakhi to grandson Abhimanyu before the epic war. One more story is there, that is about Yama and Yamuna. Another legend says that the death of God, Yama did not visit his sister Yamuna for a period of 12 years, who ultimately became very sad. On the advice of Ganga, Yama went to meet his sister Yamuna, who was very happy and performed hospitality of her brother Yama. This made the Yama delighted, who asked Yamuna for a gift. She expressed her desire to see her brother again and again. Hearing this, Yama made his sister Yamuna immortal so that he could see her again and again. This mythological account forms the basis of festival called Bhai Dooj, which is also based on brother-sister relationship. Now, reasons for the celebration of this festival. The festival of Raksha Bandhan is observed as a symbol of duty between brothers and sisters. The occasion is meant to celebrate any type of brother-sister relationship between men and women who may not be biologically related. On this day, a sister ties a Rakhi around the wrist of her brother in order to pray for his prosperity, health and well-being. The brother in return offers gifts and promises to protect his sister from any harm and under every circumstance. The festival is also celebrated between brother-sister belonging to distant family members, relatives or cousins. So, happy Raksha Bandhan to all sisters and brothers.